Hello. So in this video, I'm going to test a Forex system that someone claimed to has more than 90% win rate. Okay. And just to be clear, there is no such thing as 90% win rate, and it doesn't exist. Okay. So I mean, you can get 90% win rate if your risk is like 3 times higher than your reward, and but you can't get 90% win rate with 2 to 1 or 1 to 1. Okay, so this is actually a paid indicator, and what people do usually is they take free indicators on the internet and they change the name, change the way it looks, make it look prettier, shinier, and they sell it for like $200. Okay, so you can get the indicators here. So someone actually reverse engineer this the system, the paid system, and you can get it for free. Okay, so using a free indicators. Okay, so first you need a Hull moving average, HMA NRP. So this is the settings. I'll give you the link down below for all of the indicators. Okay, and you have a BB stop. Okay, this is the setting, BB stops, and heiken ashi. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how we trade this. And first, for buy, you need heiken ashi to be blue, Hull moving average to be green, and this BB stop to be green. So you buy here. So you put your stop loss below the swing low, and you don't have a TP, but you can exit when the Hull moving average change color. Okay, you exit here, or you can exit when the BB stops turn red. But the seller, I'm not going to reveal the name of the seller here. I don't want this video to get deleted. So the seller of this paid system actually recommend you use this as your exit. Okay, the Hull moving average. So for sell, it's the opposite. So when this Hull moving average becomes orange, heiken ashi red, and the BB stop red, so you sell, put your stop loss somewhere here, and you sell here, and you exit here. Okay, when the Hull moving average change color. All right, and yeah, that's it. And another thing is I use ATR as my stop loss. Okay, so I use this no nonsense ATR. So 3 so I use 3 times ATR as my stop loss. I think it's more objective because I want to test this as objective as possible. And okay, so I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we have a signal here. Okay, the Hull moving average is orange, heiken ashi red, so BB stop red. So you enter here. So because I use ATR, so this is the stop loss. Okay, 15. I don't have TP. So you exit when the Hull moving average change color. Okay. So you exit here, and you made $400 here, 474. Okay, so you close, and you wait for another signal. So I'm not going to take here because it's a weekend. So I'm going to wait. Okay, just click on the candle. So stop loss is 12. So green, blue, green. So you buy. Okay, so you exit here. Okay, So if you use this as an exit, so you exit earlier, if you use this BB stop as your exit, but your potential reward is less. So okay, another signal here. So red, red, orange. So you sell. Obviously, it looks great in trending market, and it's because I'm cherry picking this. Yeah. So okay, so we exit here. SMA green. So we made 580 bucks. So you close. Okay, sell here. I'm sorry, buy. I'm sorry, zero. So okay, you get stopped out. Okay, you buy here. I'm sorry. So you exit here. Okay, sell here. Okay, you see here. So I'm sorry. So yeah, you exit. Okay, so you lose money, $74. You exit here. Okay, you cannot enter here because it's still green when you have this signal. So you wait. Okay, you cannot enter here. It's still orange when. Okay, it's still orange. So you can't take this trade. Okay, buy here. Okay, get stopped out. So making $900 right now. So the account is $10,000 account, and I'm risking 2%. Okay, so here. Okay, almost got stopped out. So we have big runner here, and this doesn't happen very often, you know. So you close here. Okay, so you already made 20%. Okay, another one here. Yeah, you get stopped out. Okay, signal here. Okay, stopped out again. Okay, so okay, stopped out before we can exit. Okay, signal here. Okay, stopped out again. And sorry, so we exit here, change color. Okay, okay, buy here. By the way, you don't care if the price is above or below the Hull moving average. Okay, you only care about the colors. Okay, so 15 by here. Okay, got stopped out. So we losing money again. So here. Okay, so looks easy and all because in real trading you have to watch the screen all the time because you use exit indicator. Personally, I don't trade using exit indicator. I use a fixed risk reward. So okay, close here. So yeah. So that's it. So I'm going to test this 100 times. Okay, and okay, another thing I forgot to mention, in the 100 tests, I'm going to trade only during London open until London close. Okay, from here till here, because that's where the volume is, and I'm not going to trade Asian session. So from London open to London close. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the result of 100 tests. It's a Euro USD 30 minutes London open, London close, and from 2 January 2020 until 26 August 2020. And the result is this. So it's a $10,000 account in the simulation, and I risk 2% per trade. Okay, so the end result is this. I lose $418 in 100 trades. Okay, and this is include a spread and commission. And yeah, so it's almost break even. And the only reason I didn't lose more is because sometimes I do have a big win, like I catch a big trend, you know, like I've shown earlier, I catch a big trend, but you will have like a lot of losses during ranging period, and this losses cannot make up for the big win, so you cannot cover for the big a lot of small losses along the way, so the big win cannot cover for that. And so yeah, so the profit trades is 32 only, and loss rate is 68. So this is far from 90% win rate. And the loss rates also include when I have to exit earlier. If let's say the whole moving average change colors before my stop loss is hit, so I exit. So that exit also considered a loss, but most of the time my stop loss is hit right away before the HMA change color. And so max consecutive loss is 11, max consecutive win is 4. Okay, so this is very bad system. I can't believe people actually I can't believe people actually buy this. Okay, this is a paid system, and so you can try the system yourself. It's all free using free indicators. I'll have the link down below. Maybe you can change how you trade it. Maybe you have a open to position, and then move your stop loss and let the runner run. You can try that. And so, and actually I did try experiment with a fixed risk reward. So let's say I have a buy signal, so I put my stop loss 2 ATR and target 4 ATR as my take profit. So 2-to-1 risk reward. I don't use the exit at all, and I think I actually lose money trading that way. So it's very bad. And yeah, so I don't recommend the system at all. So maybe you can try it and tweak it as you like. So yeah, so if you like the video, please subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe. And if you want the simulation software, I have a link down below. So okay, goodbye.